Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday. We are eat breakfast. We are eat fritters, ackee and saltfish, pear fritters. You say bien? Yeah, it was fritters.
I don't know why you right. Are you put that in that?
Siobhan. Right, actually, pear fritters and ackee and saltfish. Guys, I'm gonna put the tomato in that ackee. Tomato. It's good on the body. You need tomato again. Don't touch me tomato. Touch me yam and me pumpkin. Touch me breadfruit and me dumpling. But don't touch me tomato.
Eat.
So people not eat and talk. You never see people eat and talk.
No bad enough to touch your tomato. You know what is your tomato?
What? I'm tomato. I'm tomato bien. You want me tomato?
Your tomato.
Oh. So tomato even if you talk
Tomato
about
in
tomato.
the fridge and your tomato. I did tomato. Your tomato.
Alright, the tomato. Okay. The tomato.
Too slack.
Alright, may I eat? Stop the slacking.
Sunday morning.
I know for slack on Sunday. People must slack on a Sunday. A disciplined boy, you know.
Which boy?
You're a disciplined boy.
Boy?
Alright, you're a disciplined man. Yeah, my boy. Some can't say boy. You can't say boy.
What's the opposite of boy?
Man.
No, the opposite of boy.
I know. Where that come with?
Girl.
Oh.
So, boy and girl.
Oh boy.
The opposite of?
But if you say my girl,
That's son away.
it's son away. But if you say my boy, you feel away?
If you say you're my girl, you don't feel away.
Yeah.
Well,
No.
you know already say you're my girl. No.
But you never said that before. Somebody say it
But
now.
I've done as many talk it, say it for the year.
Right. They never said that before, but I call you my boy already.
So the only way somebody is going to hear now is to put up a video. Yeah, my girl. It's between me and you.
In Jamaica, when you call somebody girl, it's an embarrassment. It's embarrassing.
Disrespect.
It feel like girl, hey, dirty girl. You know, because they have this tendency to like say,
Girl and dirty go together.
yeah, girl and dirty go together.
Anything bad, cussing,
Yeah.
a girl them say.
Then call you girl. But when we work up here, with the white people them, and then say girl. What they say? What them call it? Girl.
Because them pronounce
Them pronounce it different.
A as A. Then they
Ah.
pronounce A as A.
Right. Yeah, they pronounce A as A. So they say gal. Yeah. The white people say gal, G-A-L, and Jamaicans say gal. The same thing, you have to pronounce different. But when nobody tell you, hey, dirty girl, go watch it, not your
Remember
mother.
you eat Sunday morning.
Alright. Alright, man.
Church, you should have there.
Alright. I got church next week, Sunday. Yeah.
You're alone.
Why not?
Can't go and record the service and carry it home and play.
So, you want to hear it when you go?
When you're there, you record it and carry it home.
You will come listen it when you come back?
No, come listening. I'm going to the house.
Meaning you will listen it?
I'm going to hear and there and about in a place. So
Yeah.
I'm in a play. Eat fast, you know. When you come sit down, so you get 4 appetizers. When you come sit down, you done 2 already.
Yeah, yeah, come.
And you know you have done before. In a play. They're ready to close up. And feed up.
You that close me and feed me?
What you that do? Close me and feed me. What that rather do?
Close you too.
You that rather close me?
Me don't want to close you. The amount of clothes that you want to have. I gotta run me broke.
I'm gonna eat much.
And you're gonna eat one good meal a day. So, let me feed you. Nobody close the purpose. So,
And you eat on the clock.
let me eat around the clock. Let me not eat a lot round the clock. I'm gonna cut down now.
You live on camera, you know. You can't go on stuff on camera.
Oh, me I go on.
Drink. So me eat drink so long me take it done.
I tell you, the one like you're dainty and you're not dainty.
Me I go. I are dainty.
Yeah. IR? I would say that. Was it?
Me.
It?
Me.
Oh.
Me born to get it from.
Hello. That's my paper towel. Wanna joke me up in my gum.
Kinda take time.
Oh my god.
We didn't take time to things, things happening and bad things happening, Right? You probably sound like me hit a vital point. I could have been a camp, I don't know. I'm lit the nail right on the head.
Watch out. I need a piece of fritters. Never had a piece of fritters done.
Where you go on?
I'm happy still there.
You was still there?
I can't here.
You don't drink the tea. I save the tea for last like you think of dumpling. Like you think of meat. And the meat.
You see, I will wash down all of the oil. Let me just don't eat. This tea is perfect. This tea is perfect. Fresh.
Me make it in so that's a perfect.
I don't like the only sweet tea.
We like sweet.
Sex.
So you sweet in sex. You the throat on the night. Nice sex.
Yeah, I like sweet.
We say you don't like sweet?
That me like sweet. Yes. Hopefully them people know watch the video and say that. And they never hear me even use that the word.
Let me hear a post it.
Chanel say. So now watch the video them. I will them in here play one. And today I listen to it and I laugh. Breakfast. This breakfast was delicious. Our Jamaican breakfast are nice, so no other. I mean, to me, only. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Look at me good. Look at me, I have them 4 big pitney there. Come look young. Cheese and peas. I look like me in my 30s, not true?
Hmm?
I don't look like me in my 30s. Eh?
Hmm?
You don't look like me in my 30s. Don't lie. You know, say, when me I grow up, people never know, say, I was that young because my body, they say my body look more mature like when me in my early teens. Then think me a bigger man.
Kind of old just a little girl. Sorry, I mean girl.
Make it tired, so babe.
You tired now?
Me? What me do?
You give me road for drive, man. Clear, the road clear, no traffic, nothing. You just walk the road, just walk up and clear. So when you drive and you see the road clear and open up, whatever.
Stop.
Why? The road.
Near road?
You give me road for drive, man. I drive, man. No, so when I don't drive, man, I get tired and mash up. No business. Just drive. The harder you drive, the quicker you reach. Hello? The harder you drive, the quicker you reach.
You don't know where you are talking about.
Driving on road.
To mix up.
One time I hear about this girl that give one man. You know the man too, other year. But at the man me say, and somebody start tell me the story about the man. Him other year, you know, him a ear, but you know, other year himself. He said the girl that gave him a piece, you know. She give him a piece. It is like next door, you know them house where a tenement yard, so you know next door, people live next door. Next one house where people live in there next tenement yard. Yeah, so the man had a year, you know, man. And he's sweet, the man, you know. The man did that, you know, him sweet, but the 3 man other year him talk loud. So the girl I say, shh, stop it nice, somebody like she said somebody I listen. You know, what you say you love me? She said, no, stop it nice, somebody I come. What you say you done married to me?
Why do you think you tell me that story already? It sounds familiar.
She said, no, shh, stop it nice, somebody I come. What you say me do it sweet?
You hear that story already.
She said, shh, stop it nice. What you say me do it sweet? Everybody me do it with them, say me do it sweet. Love it.
Drama. All right. Hit the notification bell so you will always know when we upload. Obi and I is going to do video every Sunday.
No.
We're going to do video every Sunday. And it may be going to be a discussion from one thing to the next. So because they're going to be long, we are going to... because the video is going to be long, we're going to cut them. Yes, that's fine. Yes, we're going to cut them so you're going to be able to see it in more than one video. So we want to start upload on Sunday by anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock. Wednesday, anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock. And Friday, anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock. We want to upload on those 3 days.
But if you don't hit the notification bell, you don't need all of that info. You just not gonna know.
You'll always know when we upload.
Be notified and subscribe to, yeah? Who not subscribe, subscribe.
Yes.
And comment.
And share.
I mean, notice when I watch a video, but I don't comment. I never comment, yeah? Hey.